In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Telegram downloaded files not showing up on your iPhone. Now, before we start, if you're new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is go to your settings. Now, under your settings, just scroll down all the way till you find apps. And under apps, you will need to go to Telegram. So after you're on Telegram, just tap on it, and there you will need to make sure these settings are turned on. Make sure that you give it access to camera, microphone, and background app refresh. So after doing all of these, you can just go back and go to your Telegram. So just open up your Telegram and go to your settings on the bottom right. So after you're there, go to data and storage. And after you're there, you can just tap on reset auto download settings if the option is available. If not, just go to your using cellular and turn this auto download media on. So after you've done that, you'll need to make sure that you've turned this on and just turn all of these and do it same for files. And after doing this, go back and do the same for your Wi-Fi. So just select these and do it. And after doing this, you will have your settings tweaked. And after doing that, your Telegram downloaded files will start showing up on your iPhone. So that is basically it, guys. That is how you fix the problem. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye. Take care.